No matter what you sell in your online store, a t-shirt or a digital item like ebooks or software, it all starts with one thing: product. In this video, I'll show you how to add products to your store with FluentCart, share some quick tricks to organize those products with categories and inventory, and also create a downloadable digital product with price variation. Finally, I'll share a few practical tips on managing and filtering products like a boss. First things first, let's start from the FluentCart dashboard. As you can see on the top bar, there is a product page. Let's open the page and click Add Product. So there are two kinds of products you can add: physical or digital. Let's start with a physical product and name it Premium Sweatshirt. Okay, a tap on Add Product and we're into the product customization page with a short description that highlights the product best. Then comes the long description. So here you have two options. You can use the classic editor if you want a straightforward approach, or switch over to the Builder tab for a full WordPress block editing experience. You can get full creative control with blocks, headings, and images. For now, let's get back to the classic editor and paste a description. To the right, that's the media upload section. Let's add our product image. Okay, that was quick. Let's try a few more. Okay. So look how smoothly FluentCart handles multiple uploads. Next up, we have product taxonomies. So here I can create a category for this product on the go. So let's do it. Next, we'll do the same for brand. There, you have the option to use shipping classes as well, but let's skip that for now. It's time to focus on the pricing. Right now, the product type is set as simple, which works perfectly fine for single items that don't have variations. There, you also have the option to collect payment on a one-time or subscription basis. We'll keep it simple and go with a one-time payment. Let's set the rate of this product. The first box is your main selling price. And if you want to show that it's on sale, just add a higher compare price. To track your profit margins, enable the calculation of profit cost. Just type in how much it costs you per item, and FluentCart will automatically do the math for you. Then comes the option to add downloadable assets. Since this product doesn't require any documentation or user manual, let's skip for now. All right, so we have set the product details and it's on draft mode now. Let's change the status to public. It's preview time. Our product is live and customers can start adding it to their cart right away. Before creating more products, it's smart to have your structure in place. So let's have a quick look at some powerful features. On the left sidebar, you can easily spot the categories and brands. Let's go ahead and add a new category first. So you can give it a name and add a slug, which is the URL-friendly version of your category name. If this one is a subcategory like t-shirt for menswear, you can easily pick the parent category from the dropdown. You can even add a short description if you want. So click on Add New Category and done. That's how easy it is to create a new category in FluentCart. Let's add a few more. Okay, now it's time to move over to brands. The process here is pretty much identical to categories. Let's add a few quickly to complete the setup. Okay, the next essential step is inventory management. To turn it on, we need to open FluentCart settings. The left sidebar has all the core functionalities to manage your store. Let's open the feature and add-on. And I can see stock management sitting right there. Just toggle it on and save the changes. Well, having them sorted, let's get back to the product page and set the inventory for a product. Just toggle it on, then adjust your stock levels so you never fall short of delivery. That's it. All right, so we have successfully created a physical product for our store. Now, let's see how to create downloadable digital products with price variations. So the process is almost similar. You just need to provide the basic details like product title, description, upload media files, and so on. Let's say the digital product has some different bundles. So let's make this one a simple variation product. So this allows you to set unique prices and configurations for each version of the product. Let's add a few variations now. It's time to upload the digital assets and link each one with a pricing plan. You can upload any type of file format from your device. Okay. All set. It's time to publish the product. As the product we've created has variations, let's pick the default variation to show in the shop front end, and even limit customers to purchasing more than one bundle with a click. That's it. The product is created and ready to sell. Now, customers can pick any bundle they want and purchase effortlessly. But there's a smart tweak that can help you sell your product better. Here, you can generate a direct checkout link for any variation, which you can share with your customer to help them make a purchase directly. Creating a product is half the story, and the other half, managing them effortlessly. Now, let's see how you can do that in FluentCart. You can see all your products at a glance, and the digital and subscription products are in the drop-down. You can get to them from there. On top of that, the advanced filter helps you segment products only by order property, variations, or taxonomies, whatever you need to find faster. Let's say you want to filter only the menswear. You can do this simply. Besides, you can even filter products based on order count. If you just want to jump straight to one product, the search bar is your best friend. The search help can really be handy at times as well. I also love how customizable the list view is. You can toggle columns on and off, or sort by product ID, title, or date, so you always see exactly what matters most to you. And that's a wrap for this one. We just walked through creating both physical and digital products, organized everything with categories and brands, and even looked at how to manage inventory and filter your products easily. Are you selling physical products or digital downloads? FluentCart gives you the power to add any kind of product, manage them efficiently, and streamline your store like never before. So, what are you waiting for? If you've been dreaming of launching your own store, now's the time. Grab FluentCart and start building today.